Up first this evening, a probe has been launched into the disappearance of Simeon Sutherland, the man who is to stand trial for the murder of former Member of Parliament for Portland Eastern, Dr. Linvale Bloomfield.
Mr. Sutherland is also facing other charges in relation to the February 2nd, 2019 stabbing death of Dr. Bloomfield at his Paisley Gardens home in Portland. Raquel Porter has the details.
The investigation was ordered Wednesday after Mr. Sutherland, who is on $800,000 bail, failed to answer his name when it was called 3 times in the Home Circuit Court. A warrant was subsequently issued for his arrest and a stop order implemented. The Home Circuit Court was told that Mr. Sutherland's parents dropped him off at the court building in the morning and proceeded to the neighboring parking lot.
It seems that he turned and went in another direction. So the police have their instructions. They'll be investigating to see if there are any possible charges that may emerge, if the evidence is there for attempting to pervert the course of justice on the part of anyone. But it all depends on the material that is gathered.
Mr. Sutherland's mother, who stood shorty for him, left the courtroom in handcuffs and is to pay the bail amount. His attorney, Peter Champagne Casey, expressed a surprise at the turn of events. He explained that he met with the accused and his parents at his office prior to court.
For any lawyer or any client, I should say, to believe that the client can absent himself or herself from the process and is re-engaged and you're able to have similar access or same access to the attorney that had the matter first. It doesn't go like that, certainly from where we are concerned. And that is why I asked the judge to consider releasing us from the engagement in terms of the trial. And I didn't think that the judge had a problem with that, but I think that the judge wanted us to be present in the event that Mr. Sutherland is brought back before the court and is able to speak. And in an event this morning, as you would have seen, there would have been nobody there to accept an assignment, and it would have to be encouraged Mr. Sutherland.
Mr. Sutherland was arrested and charged in March 2019 after forensic evidence reportedly linked him to the murder of East Portland MP Dr. Linvale Bloomfield. Dr. Bloomfield's body was found with several stab wounds at his Portland home. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.